Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Round 5 of the WA Speed Event series, and we're here for the Albany Windfarm Hillclimb. Let's get into it. So, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're down here in Albany, my local rounds, which I'm pretty happy about. It's good not to travel anymore. You can see the Falcon over there. Yeah, boy. But yeah, it's actually, the weather's come out, so it's a good early morning and we're looking for some good times. We end up racing up around that hill up there, and yeah, it's an exciting round. So we'll get the cars warmed up and we'll get into the practice session and we'll get into it. We got some different cars around the place. Old Kinger. RX7 hiding over there. But yeah, let's get into the warm-up. Alright, we're lined up for a sighting lap. You can see cars all lined up. We'll go check out the track. On the sight lap. Alright, we're finally on our first time run. Had a few delays, so yeah, we may have lost all the heat out of the tyres. We're trying to get going down the hill, but let's see how we go. It feels a little different to last year, so alright boys, let's do it. That was rough. Woo. Even got twitchy at the top there. Oh shit. That's right, I'm pretty sure I would have lost time for hitting the cone. Alright guys, second time run. Let's try and get a smoother one in. We've got a bit more heat in the tyres this time because we haven't had to wait as long. So I'll probably we won't go so hard on the braking, eh? We'll try and actually get a decent time down. Don't actually know what I got yet, but I got pretty loose up the top there, so let's try not to repeat that.
Excellent. And that thing's still exciting every time. Whew. That's a bit better. It's a decent time to put on the board, I think. We'll have to wait and see. But pretty happy with that.
Hey, between runs we can check out some of the cars here. V6 Capri. Nice RX-7. Always good WRX. Bit of Evo action. And the reason it's called the Windfarm Hillclimb, obvious reasons. But we use the car park as a pit lane. Wait for everyone to come up. They're the boys.
Alright guys, this should be a third time run. Hopefully we'll put down another smooth one. Pretty smooth run. Can't complain about that. What a rush every time. Never going to get over this one. Just a great little circuit. Alright, fourth run. Could be the last one. Pretty sure it is. We'll have to wait and see. But we've logged a couple of good runs. If this is the last one, the main thing is to keep it on the track now. See if we can get an improvement, but I'm pretty happy with it so far, so let's get it going. Not sure if it actually had any results, but if there was a time to try it, it was that run. But if that was the last one, stoked. Car's in one piece. Falcon's good, bro. Every time. You'll love the Falcon.
Well, that's the morning session over for us. Afternoon session boys are turning up. I've got to get out of here. I actually have no idea how I went because the timing is a bit hit and miss. So hopefully we get some proper results. But yeah, we'll hit you up with an update later, let you know how it all went. Well, the results are in. We did really well for this week. We got top 5 in class and we got top 10 in cup, which is overall. So super stoked with that. The Falcon held up well. We got pretty loose there in the first run and it was getting pretty loose up the top, but that's all part of it. So pretty happy with this round's results. We've got the Pendine sprint on Monday. So looking forward to that. So thanks for watching everyone. Cheers to the sponsors. Until the next one. See you later.